unboxing, phones, critics, review, tech, take it and go. So hello everyone, today is a very special video on Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8-inch with Wi-Fi only variant. So as you can see, this is a Galaxy Tab with 5100 mAh battery and 8 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixel front camera. And the MRP is mentioned as 10,700, but I got it for 7,999, and it's made in China. And in the description, they have given wrong. They have written made in Vietnam, which is absolutely wrong. So I purchased it a week back, and so as you can see, the box looks pretty nice. And I got the silver variant. So this is the wrapper. I'm removing the wrapper, and you can see some manufacturing details mentioned. It's made in China and imported and so on. And, it's written over here also, it's made in China. They have wrongfully mentioned it as made in Vietnam in description. You can check on Flipkart. So this is a micro USB cable, and we get this micro USB cable along with a charger also we get, and this is a SIM ejection pin which we get, and this is the main device. And you can see two dual speakers there with the Dolby Atmos support, and this is a 3.5 headphone jack with volume rockers and power button. And I have inserted a 32 GB micro SD card which can be expanded up to 512 GB. So now this is what we get, and some warranty cards and quick start guide. I got it for 7,999, as you can see from Flipkart. Quick start guide, yeah, and warranty card this is. And we have the charger which is of uh, approx 8-watt charger, which is a slow charger, not a fast charger, with Samsung branding, made in China. This is also micro USB, not type C. This white silver variant looks pretty nice. As you can see, this is the power button and the volume rockers down. It's a Samsung Galaxy Tab A, as you can see, powered by Android, and uh, it's uh, it's updated to the latest version, Android 10. Dual speakers we get, 3.5 jack is present. I made the video on 22nd of December. No fingerprint or face unlock is not there. Only you have to depend on pattern and passwords and all pin. I have updated it to Android 10. You can see I got the gesture button also, which you can activate from the settings, and it supports camera to API, and so therefore you can install GCam, Google Camera also in it, which gives pretty good results. And if you want the link for the GCam, Google Camera, I can provide you. Just drop down a comment in the box. You can see the details over here. 8-inch and 2019, runs Android 10 latest version, and I even updated it afterwards to December security patch. So you can get every latest updates of security patches. You can see the cameras, front camera, back camera. The back camera is pretty nice, and if you install Google Camera, it will give excellent results which you will not get in tablets. So